Good morning. So the market is teaching us how to exercise patience in this trading. It has been in a range for quite some time. We have a roof at 5,175 and a good floor at 4,720. So it has been trading in this narrow range for quite some time. It's more than 2 months and still we are not able to come out of this range. So this kind of patience and this kind of narrow consolidation is good for the market. As far as I am concerned, this is quite good before a directional move. So when it consolidates longer, when it gets into a direction, that will be more powerful. So what we can do is let's see how it performs and how it forms a trend in this current scenario. So because the current upside level is very clear, 575 is the breakout. Once it breaches convincingly, we can go for aggressive long position, and the downside also very clear. 4,720 is the level for us, and once it breaks, the downside will be very sharp and we can go aggressive short positions also. And the result season is going on. A few companies are coming out with good results. Yesterday Petronet announced their Q2 results. It announced 99% better results compared with the same quarter in the last year. And IndusInd Bank, it announced 45% better result. SIB last week announced 25% better results, and it was the best result they announced in their history. So what we can do is at this scenario we can create a watch list of few shares. The combination of shares which I advise is the South Indian Bank, Petronet, IndusInd Bank, and the companies which announce excellent results, and we can wait for some time to create a portfolio with these shares in the basket. So when the market starts performing, these shares will be giving wonderful returns, and you can always accumulate this in your portfolio. And one thing I want you to remind is during the result season, it is always advisable to stay away from the shares which announce the result, and especially on the result announcement date, because the shares can be highly volatile on the result announcement date, and many people get stuck into the share, and it might take some time to get out of that share. So because the reason is that all the expectations will be discounted much before the result announcement date, and will be the last one to get into action. So what we can do is once the company has announced the results, we can wait for a consolidation or a dip to enter into the shares which comes out with excellent results. And for today's trade, the 5,120 will be the upside resistance for Nifty, and that was that there is supposed to be a gap filling day before yesterday. That was the closing in Nifty, and the major level is still intact. That is 5,175, and downside, it is limited to 5,050 and 4,990 levels today, and the expectation is slightly positive as the clues from the global markets are positive today.